Let's do some practical examples. Let's assign the value 5 to x and the value -3 to y, and then do addition x plus y, and let's print out this value. Let's say okay, the output is, so in this case, let me just run this. Okay, in this case we got an error because we are actually trying to print out a string, but this value here is actually an integer. So let's run it again. If we look at it now, we got an output 2. Okay, let's move on with floats. Okay, let's use similar variables. Let's assign the value 3.14 to x and assign the value 2.718. Then we do another addition, x plus y, and we print the value output equals, I have to make it a string, plus string z, and let's see what's the result. Okay, the resulting output is 5.85. You can actually round off that number, but that is the actual number. Let's move on to strings. Okay, let's start with a string. Let's assign the value John to name, and the value 25 to age. Then we just create the message variable and just say my name is, and I am years old. Then we just use the format function, and this is actually a function. Okay, so let's print out our message variable. In this case, we don't have to convert the message variable to string, it's already a string. So now we can just run it. And there you have it. The output is my name is John and I am 25 years old. All these curly brackets will be replaced with the name and age variable. Okay, let's move on to lists. Okay, let's create a variable fruit, and we add a list so that square brackets represent the list. So let's put in item 1, it's apple, another item, wow, I can't even spell, banana and cherry. Let's add another fruit, orange. Let's add another fruit here. In position 1 is actually position 2 because it's the index start from 0. So let's just do a print the output so we know it's the output, and let's print the fruit list. Okay, let's run it, and there you have it. The output is all the fruits now, and you see this one we actually added in a position 1, index 1. Okay, let's do dictionaries now. Okay, let's start with person, and put it like this. Okay, the element is, or the key is name, and let's give it a value John. Okay, let's type another key, age, and we put in an integer 25. Put another key city and a string New York. Okay, that is it. Now I want to actually add another key and make it country equals USA, and then I just put in this output, print the output string, and then we actually print our dictionary. Okay, there we have it. Our key John, our name key is John, and age 25, city New York, and country USA. Let's move on to tuple. Okay, let's create a code example here. Let's do coordinates equals 3 and 4. Let's print the output here. Print the coordinates. If I can spell coordinates. Okay, so now we only want the first element, and that is 3. So let's see what happens if we print it. Okay, that's 3. Okay, we can actually do another one and see what will happen. Okay, there we have both coordinates now. Okay, let's do example for sets. Okay, let's use fruit again. Okay, apple, banana, cherry, and let's add orange here. Fruit, let's remove banana, and we just do another print, output, and we print all the fruits. Let's see what happens. Okay, there we have the list. Okay, let's do example for Pauline. Okay, let's do x equals 5, y equals 10. Let's print this out. Okay, print x is less than y, and print x equals y. So we know x is less than y, so it should result in true, and we do know is x and y is not equals to each other, so it should be false. Okay, there we have it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.